When you're a kid, adults make life look so easy. They drive cars, pay bills, and eat ice cream whenever they want. Now I'm an adult, and I can confirm, it's all a lie. The worst part of being an adult. Grocery shopping. Not the shopping part, the bill part. I went to buy milk and eggs. Walked out with a $200 bill and 17 things I didn't need. Somehow, I still forgot milk. And bills? Oh man, bills are insane. You get older and suddenly you're paying for things that didn't exist when you were a kid. Internet, streaming services, anxiety. The internet bill alone makes me reconsider my life choices. I got my first electric bill as an adult and cried. Not because it was high, but because it meant I was responsible for paying it. Where's my mom? I need an adult. Oh wait, I am the adult now. This is a problem. And don't even get me started on cooking. As a kid, mom made dinner every night. Now I'm 28 and eating cereal for dinner because boiling pasta feels like too much effort. My future self is ashamed. The worst is when you have to adult in public, like going to the bank or the DMV. These places were designed by someone who hates joy. Everyone there looks dead inside. I went to renew my license and felt like I was in a zombie movie. Oh, and sleep. As a kid, you couldn't sleep. As an adult, you'd commit crimes for a nap. I get excited about sleeping now. That's rock bottom, people. So if you're about to turn 18, enjoy it. Because adulting is just paying for things you don't want while being tired all the time. You're welcome for the reality check.